Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a triple DIOR unboxing. It is very exciting for me because it's been a while since I last posted an unboxing of such scale from such a designer. I'm really sorry if you hear some noise in the background. It's really windy outside and I have a chimney right behind the camera and it's really loud because of the wind, so I'm really sorry about that in advance. But again, I'm super excited, and another amazing news is that I'm gonna be having unboxings only till the end of March and then beginning of April probably. So this is gonna be a pretty fun month for me, full of surprises and a lot of amazing content for you guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so, not to miss any of my uploads. Right now I'm posting every Thursday only, no Sundays videos, but maybe we'll get back on track sometime in the future. Maybe I'll start pushing some vlog content for you as well for Sunday videos. I'm still not sure about it, but for now I only upload on Thursdays. Anyway, without any further ado, it was a really long introduction. Let's dive into the unboxing. I have these two big bags from DIOR over here, and I'm not sure which one I want to start with. Let's start with this one probably, and we have two goodies in here. One of the items is this one, and this is a surprise birthday gift for my mom. Oh, she's been raving about this pair of shoes. It's a pair of shoes for such a long time. We couldn't find it anywhere. Geneva store still hasn't received anything from this collection, especially this type of shoe. So we had to order and wait a little bit, but it arrived, thankfully. And my mom was so excited when I finally showed them to her because I wanted this to be a surprise. So every time she asked about the shoes, I was like, oh no, it's impossible to find them. Not a chance now. I'm really sorry, but maybe it's just not meant to be. But it's actually very meant to be. And the shoes I got for her are these ones. I have exactly the same ones. They're called D-Way slides. Let me take them out. So she saw mine when I bought them last year in summer, and she fell in love immediately. But here's the ones she chose, and they're beautiful. They are so beautiful, especially this bottom part. It's all in florals, beautiful colors. There's a lot of coral color, green, gold, blue. It's just so beautiful. Can you see? And she decided to go for yellow and green. It was her dream because for summer I think these are the most perfect colors. Yellow for sunshine and then green for grass and all the greenery outside. But she also has a lot of outfits in this color palette, so she really wanted to get them. Here is the up close of the shoes, and they are gorgeous. They have this little block heel over here, and these shoes are really comfortable. If you're looking for a perfect pair of slides for summer, this is honestly the best option because they are that comfy. I have mine and I just wear them all the time. I thought because of this little block heel I wouldn't wear them as much, but comfort wise, honestly, they're comfier than most of my flat shoes. Really soft, amazing quality, and they come true to size, so take your regular size. My mom's size is usually between 35.5 and 36, and I got them in size 36. For summer shoes, I think it's better to go a little bit bigger than going for something that might be really too tight. So here they are, so gorgeous, and she was so excited, like literally screaming on the phone when she saw them. Let's move on to the next item. It is also in this box. Okay, one little thing we also bought is this tea, and we didn't know DIOR had anything like this whatsoever, but they introduced tableware a couple of months ago here in Geneva, and we saw this tea. We wanted to grab it there before Christmas, but we forgot, and then shops closed. We were in lockdown, and this time when I went to pick up the shoes, we decided to finally go for it. Called Col Noir. It's flavored black tea with vanilla and mallow. We haven't tried it yet, but we will. We are super excited. It smells really nice. Yeah, it's like tea, whatever. The next item is over here in this dust bag. It didn't come with a box for some reason, but it's okay. I mean, right now I'm trying to get rid of a lot of my boxes since I have nowhere to store them. And this item is... ta-da! So the next item I picked up is this belt. It's the thinner version of this saddle belt in white color. It has the CD logo in aged gold hardware. It's really simple, very basic, nothing crazy. It's this plain white belt. Thin version to wear with dresses for summer. I think it's perfect. And I got it in size 85. They are also true to size. If you're looking for a belt from Dior, you don't have to worry about it. Just take your regular belt size, and I think it would look amazing with dresses, but it's also possible to wear it with jeans, but also with some classic trousers for work, with like a shirt. It will look amazing. It has 5 loops over here, and it's just a very pretty belt. And I wanted to tell you the pricing, but I don't have my receipt in here. So I guess the shoes were 750. The belt was around 560, I think, and the tea was 50 francs. It is expensive, but we had to try it. And now let's move on to the final item. It is something quite special. And here's the pretty box, and you probably don't know what's inside, but it's a bag. I don't know, a lot of people seem to like this bag. A lot of people really just hate it, and I'm not a fan of a large size of this style, but I really like the mini one, and you can already tell what it is. But here's the beautiful wrapping. Are you ready? Ta-da! So here it is. It is so cute, right? This is the newest bag from Dior. It's the Dior Caro bag, and you have seen it a lot all around Instagram. A lot of influencers have promoted this style. This is the mini size. I think it's called mini, maybe small, but there is also a larger one. And the largest, I think it comes in 3 sizes, but I might be wrong. So this is the smallest size, and it's in color beige. It's a very beautiful neutral color, and I think it's very popular right now. I see a lot of beige or gold bags. They're just such a big trend right now. But I also think it's a very classic style that you can wear throughout years and years with many different outfits and styles. And another thing that I love about this color is that it's very universal, practical, so you can wear it pretty much all year round. And this is how you open the bag. You just twist the lock over here, and when we open the bag, this is what it looks like inside. I've got this dust bag in here, and it has this beautiful over-the-shoulder chain strap in yellow gold hardware. The strap is really beautiful, and it sort of reminds me of Hermes jewelry pieces, the ones they have in silver. I feel like the chain looks very similar, but it basically says CD all around it, and the way they attached it to the bag, it looks really pretty. And you can wear it on your shoulder crossbody, or you can wear it like this. But there you go. So once again, when we open the bag, it has one main compartment, and I feel like the size is very similar to Chanel mini rectangular flap. Then there is another pocket over here. It is pretty large, and you'll be able to fit a card holder. And then there is a zip compartment over here. It's all leather lining inside, and this is a full leather bag, so even the lining on the inside is a leather as well, same color. Also, one thing I really like about this bag is that I think it's calfskin. It's not, it doesn't feel like lambskin at all, so it is more durable, and it doesn't feel like grained leather, but it's something very similar, so you can actually feel that it will be one of those more durable bags. At the back, it has this pocket, no magnetic closure, it's just a regular pocket. It says 30 Montaigne over here, and one thing I've realized is that I didn't get a card, an authenticity card with this bag for some reason. Inside I have one dust bag and then I have another dust bag, but I don't have a card, and this is bizarre. I should probably contact my essay and ask for one, because I received a few messages from you guys asking if you should get an authenticity card together with your handbags, and I think you do, because they really stamp it, they put a date of purchase, so you really know it's a real item, it's a real deal. And it's okay if you don't have one, but when you purchase a bag, I think it's just better to have one still. I mean, there is a code inside the bag, but I just want to have an authenticity card as well. Why not? So I think I should ask for one. That's weird she didn't put one inside. But anyway, here's the bag. So cute. What do you guys think? I know Corduroy is not everyone's favorite style, and it's something more special, and a lot of people dislike it, and I don't understand you. I don't like the larger size. I think it just looks odd. It looks just too long and weird, but I really love the mini. I think it's super cute and adorable. The price of this bag is 3,150 Swiss francs. It's a more expensive handbag, but honestly, I think this bag should retail for around 2,500. That's a really good price for this bag, but 3,150 is definitely a little bit too expensive, but it's a gorgeous bag. Anyway, this is it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!